Good morning, good morning. Hi, hi, hi. How is everyone today? I hope you're very well. Hope you haven't been blown away. It is very blustery out there today, isn't it? Very, very blustery. Good grief. Well, I just wanted to come live and show you what we've got at our Christmas shopping do. If you are local to Rushden, then do pop over and come and say hi. I'm going to be here between 10 and 2 today with all our Scentsy goodies that you can sniff through. There's a few bits you can literally buy and take away today, and we're taking orders that we will get to you before Christmas. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you how I've got it set up. I would turn it, oh there it is. I've lost the button where you turn it around then. Hang on. So I've got a few nice gift boxes all made up, ready to go. We've got a couple of warmers that can be bought. I've got the whiff box. If you want to have a little look and order the whiff box, it is amazing. Sorry, you can probably hear the wind. This is what I've got warming in the house today, wrapped in lights, one of our Scentsy bricks. It is, I've decided this is now my new favourite Christmas fragrance. It is so lush. I need to get another brick because that's what I'm going to be warming all over Christmas. It's so lovely. I've got some of our warmers all set up. Gosh, I see the wind in the garden. It is crazy out there. So yeah, lots of things set up ready for you to have a look at. There's some catalogues you can have a look at. There's some of the current wax sets so you can have a sniff through and order. We've got the Disney one, which I absolutely love, and the Christmas one. Got some buddies for you to have a look at. Then, of course, I've got all my Christmas warmers set up. So that was the candy cane one. That came in this year. Went out of stock really fast. It really sold out quick. That's a limited edition from a couple of years ago. Let's go into the front room. So that's all set up. I'll turn it back around. Hang on. That's all set up in the conservatory. Then in the front room, where we all sit, have a natter, have a coffee. Let me show you my warmers that I've got. Hang on. So I have got, oh look, there's me phone lead all out still. I've got the limited edition from this year. Limited edition from last year. Limited edition from when we first joined. Love that one. Love that one. Then, oh, say hello to Starcat. Hello, Starcat. She's like, yeah, whatever. My favourite picture. I'm always going on about how I love Alice in Wonderland. Love that picture. And we've got the buddies. Although Cheshire Cat's having a chill out over there. Then I've got chocolate, candy canes for you to nibble. I've got the scent pots for you to sniff. Then over here we have my other warmers that I've got set up. I love that glistening tree. It's so pretty. So pretty. More buddies, more buddies. That was a limited edition from, I think that was 3 years ago. I think that was during lockdown. That was the limited edition. Peace on Earth. Oh, can you see it? There we go. Another, can't remember what that one was called. Oh, little bitty buddy. We're not doing those this year, which is a shame. This is current. This is the from National Lampoon's Christmas edition, Christmas movie. I love that, the RV. And then we've got, oh look, got my book. And then we've got mince pies and nibbles, more Christmas warmers. Excuse me, my coffee ready for me when I finished the live. That was in the whiff box last month. What else have I got? Oh, I've got the penguin. That was in the whiff box last year. And I've got another warmer that is currently available, and that's this one. Oh, let's see. There you go. How beautiful is that? That was one of our, let me turn it round again. That was one of our warmers of the quarter. That was the last warmer of the quarter. There we go. So there we have it, all set up and ready for you. So do come along. Do pop along if you're local to Rushden. Come and see all the goodies. There they are. Have a sniff. There is stuff you can buy and take away. And I will take orders. Oh, I just need to show you my leggings because I am wearing Christmas leggings and Christmas socks. Hang on. Boop. There we go. Christmas leggings, Christmas socks. Had to be done. Right. Have a lovely, lovely day, and I hope to see you soon. Loads of love. Take care. Bye.